Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you change profile photo on Life360 app. To change the photo profile or profile photo on Life360 app, you have to follow the steps. But before that, make sure to update your application. Head over to your App Store and Play Store, and on the search box type in Life360 and check whether the application needs to be updated or not. After which, click the open button and then log into your Life360 account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. After you're logged into your account, then what next you want to do is enable all sort of permissions, and then you'll be able to see this sort of page. So here, click the gear icon, then go to accounts. As you go to accounts, you could see there is this profile section. Press that, or you could just go ahead and make sure to tap on it. As soon as you do that, you'll be taken to edit profile section. Click the camera shape icon from the top right, and whether you want to take a picture or whether you want to go ahead and upload it from the gallery, select it accordingly. And let's see, I'm going to go with this one and click the crop button if you want to make changes, and click the save button, and you'll have successfully changed the photo profile on Life360 app. So that is the way you could go ahead and change your profile on Life360 app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.